In this video, I'm going to show you how to start affiliate marketing step by step. Now, this video is the first in a 5-part series where I actually help you get started with affiliate marketing without spending any money and any experience. So make sure you watch this video and the other 5 videos that are coming up so that you can actually start being successful with affiliate marketing. Hi, my name is Alston Godbolt with alstongodbolt.com. I create content to actually help you make money online and not just to put money into my own pockets. And if you want to be added to this globe, simply reply or comment down below with your city, state, province, country, and I'll get you pinned. All right, so one of the biggest questions that I get all the time is, Alston, I want to start affiliate marketing, but I've got $0 to invest. And so what we're going to do today is I'm going to walk you through this entire process, at least the first part of it, so that you can get up and running. Now, as I mentioned, this is going to be a part of a multi-part series, and you're going to need to watch all of these videos in order to truly understand how to get started with affiliate marketing. All right, so the first thing that you want to do with affiliate marketing is you need to pick either a niche or a product, okay? It's vitally important that you have something to promote or something to sell in order to make money with affiliate marketing, because after all, affiliate marketing is simply connecting problems to products with content. You're going to be that content creator, you're going to link the two, and you're going to make money. Now, the biggest pushback that I get all the time is, Alston, I don't buy anything, which isn't true, but I have a few different ways that will find products for you to promote, even if you don't buy anything. So if you believe that you've never purchased anything in life, you can still do this, okay? So let's go ahead and talk about these different ways that you can start finding products to promote. The first way that I want to show you is simply with products that you've recently purchased. Yes, you've probably bought something before. We're going to start with that. That's the easiest. You've done research. Hopefully you just don't buy the products just to buy them. You have done a little bit of research. So I'm over here on Amazon.com. This can be Amazon, Best Buy, Target, Walmart, wherever you're buying your products, okay? It doesn't have to be Amazon. And what you can do is you can look at your recent orders. So what I've done is I've signed in here, and I've gone over to returns and orders, and you can see these are all different products that I purchased. Now, what we're going to do is we're simply going to verify that people are actually interested in these products and they're looking for them online. And to do that, we can simply open up each of these products. For example, I'm going to open up that one, and then I'm going to open up this 3rd grade workbook. We're simply going to copy the name of the product, and we're going to paste it on Google and on YouTube to see if people are searching this. So I've copied the name of the product. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to go to youtube.com, and we're just going to paste this in. Now, the reason why we're doing this is I like to start at the very bottom of the funnel. And you can see here, 5-piece professional hair coloring dyeing kit for salon and home. This has no views from a month ago, which seems weird that it has no views and she has 100,000 subscribers. So that can't be right. But if we look at this, you can see that people are looking this up in a variety of ways. 2,000 views from 5 years ago. This person, 985,000 views. This is Secrets from a Hairstylist. So not necessarily on target. Okay, if you're not finding success, move on to the next thing. So the summer before 3rd grade workbook, let's copy this. And we're going to, again, paste this over on Google or YouTube, wherever you intend on creating content. And we're going to talk about that in just a moment. So you can see, once again, look through and see if people are actually searching this and watching these videos. Summer workbooks for kids, review and flip through, 1,000 views, 2,000 subscribers. We can keep going through. We're going to look at 3 other ways in just a moment, but I want to show you that this essentially can be a good way to get started. So again, Medline Healthcare Direct Steel Roller Walker. We're going to copy this like this, and we're going to come back over to YouTube and we're going to paste this in. Hopefully you are getting the idea. This is all based on stuff that we've already purchased, okay? But look at this. This walker, 6.4 thousand views, only 3,000 subscribers. 16,000 views, 2,000 subscribers. So this could potentially be a good place to start. Lots of views to be had, not a lot of subscribers. This is a good place to start. Okay, so you're just going to do that, spend 15, 20, 30 minutes going through and looking for products. So that is one way. Another thing that you can do is you can look at your hobbies. For example, my hobbies is I enjoy playing basketball. And so we can start looking up different questions around basketball. We could say something like basketball for adults or for your age range. Maybe you have kids that are just getting started with a sport, pickleball, maybe any hobby out there. There's also different websites out there where you can find a list of hobbies. But if we look at this, I typed in basketball 4, and you can see that there are lots of people asking different questions about basketball. So this could potentially be a good place to start. We could say basketball for adults like this, and potentially see if this is something that people are looking up. 100 hours of basketball training journey. How much can I improve? 12,000 views, 160 subscribers. Okay, so this is definitely something that people are looking up. We beat the #1 seed. This lets you know that there is opportunity out here with your hobby. If you are interested in bowling, you want to make sure that bowling is something that people are interested in. We'll say a bowling 4, and you can see people are searching this out. We can do bowling tips, all right? So this is another opportunity. 55,000 views, 146,000 subscribers from just 2 weeks ago. So this is something that people are looking up. Another way that you can find your niche is simply to look at a website called Google Trends. So I'm going to go to trends.google.com. And this is a website, gives you an idea of things that people are talking about. As you can see here, people are talking about Trump indictment. That could potentially be something that you create content on. What you can also do too is you can come over here and you can look at things that are trending now, and you can get a list of ideas. NHL, Davin Cook, Transformers, these are all different things that people are talking about currently, which could give you some ideas and inspiration to potentially create content. But trends.google.com is a great place to start if some of these other methods aren't working. We can look at daily search trends, we can look at real-time search trends, and this is all for free. Okay, the first place I would look is at recent purchases because they have solved a problem. The next place I would look is at hobbies, okay? Another place that you can go is look at things that you do all day. For example, my next door neighbor is an accountant. He could create content about being an accountant. There are tons of opportunities to promote different products and services as an accountant that he could make money. So again, we can come over to YouTube or Google and we could type in something like cost accounting. Look at this, cost accounting chapter 4, all sorts of stuff, cost accounting and control. Some of this is going to be more about different textbooks that are out there, but if you understand your target audience, you understand your niche, this is going to make sense. We could type in something like first in, first out. Now, these are all different accounting terms. This is a good way to get in front of a highly targeted audience. First in, first out is an accounting method that only accountants know, or people that are doing this type of method know. But if we look at this, 69,000 views from 4 years ago, 150,000 views, 869,000 views, all talking about accounting, 20,000 views, 483 subscribers. First in, first out, you can look at different terms. Now, this brings me to the next point. We can do something what's called the glossary method. Now, I got this method from the affiliate marketing dude. What he suggests is actually think about different terms related to your niche, and you can look those up and you can start seeing if people are looking that up. For example, first in, first out is an accounting term that only accountants know, or people that are studying accounting know. So that is another way. Again, look at your recent purchases, look at your hobbies, look at Google Trends. Another thing that you can do, you can go over to the grocery store and you can go through the magazine aisle. Now, these magazines here are all different niches. For example, this is Inside Weddings. This is a niche that you could get into. This one right here is Family Handyman. This is a niche that you could get into. On the front here, it says Build It, Grow It. They're talking about greenhouses. So what you could do is simply walk through your grocery store, through the magazine aisle, or go through like Barnes and Nobles or any place where they're selling books, and look at the cover of the magazines. Bridesmaid, Bridal Guide. This is a niche. The Knot, the different wedding niche. Halloween, cross stitch. These are two different niches. And a grilling cookbook. You can actually look at magazines and you can find niches there. So that's just another way. Another thing that you can do, going back to things that you do all day, what do your kids do? If your kids are into different things, that's another opportunity. For example, my daughter's in gymnastics, my oldest son is into soccer, and my youngest son is now playing t-ball. Those are different areas of opportunity where you could create content. Again, you're going to come over here and type in something like t-ball drills, or T-ball practice for 4-year-olds. Look at this. My son is 5, but look, learning how to play T-ball, Little League, 328,000 views, 10,000 subscribers, 272,000 views, 546 subscribers. And this is all thinking about stuff that I do all day, okay? This morning, for example, I went to the gym. We could say something like weightlifting for men over 50, for example. I'm not 50, but you get the idea. So weightlifting for men over 50, and you can see that this is an area of opportunity. Right now, we're not worried about competition. We're not worried about, oh, there's millions of people already creating content here. We are just looking for niche ideas. After weightlifting for men over 50, I played basketball, and I'm creating this YouTube video. So these are all different things that I've done or am doing, and I can turn this into a niche. Next, my kids are on summer break, and so I'm going to be looking for ways to entertain them in different activities for summer break. So we could say something like activities for 5-year-olds or summer break activities. And we could look that up, see that people are interested in that, and we could create content there. Everything's a niche, okay? One of the most important things that you have to realize when you are getting started with affiliate marketing is you're not worried about competition. You're not worried about how many people are already in the space. You don't want to waste your time trying to find the perfect niche, because there's no such thing. Everything's competitive. Everything is quote unquote saturated, but I'm going to talk about different ways that you can find ways into a saturated market without having to create content about make money online. So those are just a few ideas. You have at least 4 of them. Don't spend a ton of time trying to find the perfect niche. If you spend time doing the research, you're never going to get started, okay? Pick one of these methods and move on to the next step. The next step will be day 2, which I will upload so that you can actually start seeing some success. But day 1's really easy, should not take you that long. You should not be trying to rack your brain trying to find the perfect niche. You just have to pick one and move on to the next step. Watch this video next, because YouTube says it will help you grow your online business.